Hi, I'm Elise. Today we're going to look at the different systems that make our bodies work. The human body has to do many important things in order for us to survive. Food has to be eaten and then broken down into nutrients that the cells of the body can use. Oxygen has to be carried to each cell so that respiration can occur. Waste have to be eliminated, and body temperature and blood pressure have to be regulated. We have to be able to control the body's movements, and our bodies have to be protected from bacteria and viruses. The body must do all these things in order for us to live and be healthy. 10 major body systems work together to do all these things. They are the skin, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the urinary system, the endocrine system, the lymphatic system, and the nervous system. That's a lot of systems, isn't it? First, let's look at the skin. The skin is the largest organ in the body. It's made up of a thin outer layer of cells, called the epidermis, and a thicker inner layer, called the dermis. The dermis contains blood vessels, nerve cells, sweat and sebaceous glands, and hair follicles. The skin is probably the least thought about major body system. It is very important for a number of reasons. The skin stops microorganisms from entering the body. It prevents ultraviolet rays from harming the body, and it helps regulate body temperature. In cold weather, blood-carrying capillaries in the skin contract to reduce the amount of heat lost by the body. In warm weather, or during exercise, the capillaries expand to allow heat to be released. In addition, perspiration from sweat glands cools the body even more. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it helps form vitamin D. Vitamin D is used by the body to absorb nutrients from food. The color of a person's skin is determined by a dark pigment called melanin. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes. There is very little difference in the number of melanocytes we all have, just in the amount of melanin produced by those cells. The more we are in the sun, the more melanin is produced. This is what makes us tan. Remember, you should always wear a sunblock when you're in the sun. Overexposure to the sun can cause damage to the skin and eventually lead to skin cancer.